It was guys keep encoded, and if you watched my Yuxin Little Magic review, I said that it was amazing and probably main worthy if it wasn't for the fact that it was kind of unstable. Although that's something that magnets can and will fix, which is why I got the Cosmic Yuxin Little Magic M. Let's take a look. So when you get this cube, you're going to be getting this really great cosmic bag. And let's open this up. How does this work? Okay, just like that. And then just open it up. And you'll find the cube. Okay, sweet. Alright, here's the puzzle. Geez, this cube feels just so light in my hands. Like, what the heck? Now, this cube is $40, so it's really expensive actually. But you're going to be getting the bag, the little stand that comes with it, this really amazing sticker placement, the magnets. But all those things don't mean anything unless the cube is really good. So, let's find out. Alright, here it is. So because it is a budget 3x3, it feels extremely lightweight in my hands. But let's do some first turns. Shoot, okay, so it feels a little bit too fast right now out of the box. Like, I'm pretty sure cosmic cubes are not supposed to be this fast right now. Because, I mean, it is sluggish, but it's really not that sluggish. Like, honestly, probably after like 20 solves, this thing's going to be completely broken in. But right now, it feels really good. Like, I honestly cannot tell that this was made from a $4 3x3. Now, one thing I don't really like about the Yuxin Little Magic is that just the pieces look kind of weird. You can see how they make the little circular sticker, except it doesn't really fit out to where it's supposed to. And that makes the puzzle look pretty awkward, honestly. That's just a little aesthetic thing that I have a problem with. But, I mean, the turning is really good. Alright, corner cutting, let's take a look at this. Okay, seems to be going pretty far. Can't quite go over there, but that's fine. And then reverse seems pretty good as well. Alright, but honestly, when it comes to cosmic cubes, you can't really judge it on how it feels out of the box. Like, you really just have to do a bunch of solves on it and then give your impressions. So for now, that's all for this video of the Cosmic Yuxin Little Magic. Obviously, I'm going to be making a review of it once I know a little bit more about it. But yeah, that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.